Down in Halifax, showing Bigfoot around. Cruise ships in. Very nice people. Germany, Philippines, all around. Had a good time, though. Met a lot of nice people. More than the house. Children too, adults, everybody was getting pictures taken with them. So we had a great time, though. I'm gonna head out now, have a little lunch somewhere, and we'll call it a day. But yeah, very nice day. Hopefully they had some fun along the way, taking their pictures with Bigfoot and video, and all in all, I think they enjoyed themselves. And it's a beautiful day here too. Like, it's only about 7-8 degrees, but I mean, sun is shining, nice blue sky, some clouds, but not terrible, so really nice. So we're on our way home, I guess. That's it for another one.
Oh,
There you go. Nova Scotia, the only Nova Scotia Bigfoot. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Nova Scotia Bigfoot. Yeah, he's a big one, isn't he? Yeah, thank you so much. Today, Bigfoot? What?
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Hello.
It's the only Nova Scotia Bigfoot. You on the cruise ship, are you? Cruise ship?
Deutschland, ja. Also,
Here's a couple cards. Our YouTube channel.
Wir sind heute schon wieder go.
You know.
Wir gehen wieder weg.
What time do you guys have to leave?
Heute, today.
Oh, you're leaving today, are you? What time?
It,
Not sure. 2 o'clock or something?
no.
No?
Wir sind one day.
Oh, one day. Oh, okay.
Ja, schade um die Karten. Wirklich schade. Ich nehm eine, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah. You can have a couple if you like.
Oh, ja.
Your friends, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. You want a picture of Bigfoot? You want a picture with him? Yeah.
Smile.
Smile, Bigfoot. Show them pearlies.
Ja, dann mach mal hier ein Foto.
Hey, cheese.
Cheese. Ja.
You gotta fix your hair. Gotta fix your hair. Would you like a picture?
Yes.
I'll get a picture for you.
Sure.
Say cheese. Little YouTube channel we got going on, so going around, walking around. Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
The Bigfoot, the big guy. Here's some.
How you doing?
Here's a couple. Here's a card for you. Excuse me. Here's a card for you.
Hi.
YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, card for you. Look,
Oh.
that's us on the back.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Couple cards for you. You're welcome. Everybody likes getting their pictures taken with Bigfoot, hey? Right? Say cheese. I'll just stand back here, Mr. Bigfoot. Sound good? Huh? What? Where do you want to go? You want to roam around, say hi to the people? Huh? Everybody saying hi. Hello. We're not we locked up everything, didn't we? You want to sit down, have a break here on the bench? What? No? Hello. You sure?
Are you tired?
I'm not tired.
What are you complaining for?
I'm not complaining. I don't complain. Hello. That's a nice spot, little cafe there. Huh? Beautiful spot.
We ate fish for dinner.
You fish for dinner? You want some fish?
Want fish?
Why you want some fish for?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, get a little video too. Who's that fellow there in your Bigfoot? Samuel Connor. That's a nice video. You waving everybody?
How you doing?
You're almost as big as a statue.
Should we go back around this area for the sick guys?
Having fun, Bigfoot? Right?
Hey, Jamie.
You are? Beautiful day. How you doing? Yes.
Yes. Right. Philippines?
Eyes wide, dry. One more. Solo, last. Thank you so much.
Here's a couple. YouTube channel. Check us out. Check us out. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Picture. Appreciate.
I'm going.
Someday, what? Someday. Be nice if we can get a picture of the boat down here. What do you think?
Yeah.
Can't do it at all? No? Oh, New Brunswick got a good spot for it, though, don't it?
Oh, nice.
He's a friendly Bigfoot.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube. Check us out.
How you doing?
Video that. These shops along there. East Coast Lifestyle. You want to get a picture in front of me?
There we go, over there.
Yeah, might as well, hey? Following Bigfoot.
You never know where you'll end up. That's what they do there, buddy.
Now that it fits you in here, no. Nice spot, though, isn't it? Yeah, nice spot. Nice spot, very nice spot.
How are you?
Did the traffic party get here?
We did. Long way from the woods.
Wait long. You think you're good? You think so?
Hello.
Hello. The friendly Bigfoot.
Want to get a picture?
I get your pictures too.
You're welcome. Where are you from? Germany?
Germany.
Nice. Nice place. I do get hello. Hello, Germany. I have family in Germany. Did you ever see any of them? They look just like me.
No Bigfoots there. No Bigfoots. Here's our YouTube channel.
Oh,
And
thank
check us
you
out.
so
Yes,
much.
you're welcome. Thank you. You guys have a great day. Pardon me? Hello.
Come on, find her, take a video.
I'm going to. There you go. Hey, you guys have a nice day. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Thank you. You should have a little flag waving around, Bigfoot. What? What do you think?
Right there.
What? You can go in down there, can you?
Yeah.
Can you? Check it out anyway. Beautiful day though, isn't it?
Right there.
What? I'm getting warm now. You're right. It was nice this morning, wasn't it? Huh? Video. There you go. Sitting down with a friend, Bigfoot? Are you talking to your friend?
I'm talking.
You
Hello.
talk-
You want a picture? Jamie.
I'm going to get you a video here too. This is nice. Having a good time today, Bigfoot?
Meeting a lot of good people, Jamie.
Real nice people. Really nice
Very
people.
nice people from all
Yeah.
over the world.
I think they're going back soon, aren't they?
I think so. I think
think
she's
so.
going back soon. Hello.
Yeah. Bigfoot, you want to go in that train? It's all locked up though. You can't go in now. You can't.
Hello.
Talks about it. Yeah.
Jamie.
What do you think? Hello.
Put that eye for a minute, Jamie.
Hello. You having a good day, Bigfoot? Beautiful day? Meeting some nice people? When do you feel like going back home, Bigfoot? Yeah, you might have to, won't you? Yeah. Hello, hello. 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 Yeah. Yeah. No, scared. Maybe scared. Scaring the little ones. Well. Hello. Hello. You ready to go home, Bigfoot? I'm ready, bud. We got some footage. Put together something. I'll get a picture of you beside the van too, waving to the van. I gotta get a picture of the pier. Good time, Bigfoot?
Good, Jimmy.
Go by the van. The pier. Halifax, Nova Scotia. Tour ships are in. We're ready to go home. Everybody waving.
What picture?